Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome back to SK Technologies. So in this video, we will see offline installation of the plugins. So in the previous session, we understood how to install the plugin online, right? So now we will see how do you install the plugin offline. Okay. So everything same guys. So offline means you need to download manually. Okay. Download manually. Then you can upload and install. Okay, so upload it and install. This is the way. Fine. So I will show you. So go to your Jenkins dashboard. Okay, so make sure you should log in by the admin user. So click on the manage Jenkins. Okay, and click on the plugins. So here there is an option called, okay, so advanced settings, this one. Fine, advanced settings. So here you can, you have a possibility to deploy your plugin. So choose from your wherever you downloaded. So go there and you can select that file, upload it and deploy. That's it. This is the way to deploy your, install your plugin manually. So most of the guys they don't know guys. Even in interview, if you get a question, how do you install the plugin manually? So this is the way. Okay. So be aware of this and so you can go and install the plugins manually. And one more thing, so sometimes they will ask some tricky question. So what is the Jenkins plugin? Okay, so what is the Jenkins plugin? Okay, so what is the Jenkins plugin file extension? Okay, so this is the interview question, guys. What is the Jenkins plugin extension, file extension? Okay, so this is the interview question. So please make a comment if you anybody knows the answer. Please make a comment. Okay. So anyhow, in the next video, I will explain the answer. I will tell you the answer. Fine. So or else you can just Google it, guys. Okay. So that's it for this video. So we will see next video about safe restart plugin and backup thin backup plugins. Okay, those two things we will discuss in the next video. Yeah. Thank you guys.